Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with BTC at number 1, followed by Ethereum, BNB, Solana, XRP, Toncoin, and then we'll end it with Dogecoin number 10. Let's get straight into it. Bitcoin against USD. So what's been happening for the past 1 week? If we move up to the weekly candlestick, we'll be able to see that this is a big red candlestick. Right? We closed very bearishly yesterday. Not yesterday, last week, right? The day before was a weekly, the week before was a weekly hammer. So it is pretty sad that the weekly hammer was taken out. And not just this weekly hammer, but this green weekly hammer. So this is like, these signs of bearishness. Anyway, we're going to have to consider this as invalidated. Okay, this is, prefer green hammer. But this is a green one, sadly, right? I'm going to put an X here just as to serve as a reminder. A very clear bullish candlestick on the weekly was taken out. Okay, let's move on to the daily. So this is where the daily is at the moment. And we are going much lower. We were actually anticipating BTC to do a symmetrical, right? We were actually expecting this. Will we still get this? Of course not, because we took out the lows over here. So I did mention that even if we were to fall, as long as we're above the skinny pink line, this is great. And we could still potentially rally back up for an inverse head and shoulders, right? But if we were to go any lower, hit the skinny pink line, or even go through it, right? This means that the end is not too far away, right? There could still be another rally, and this rally could still take us higher. But I would anticipate us to see a very deep reversal once this rally, if it were to come, happens. So yeah, this is not good though. You don't want to see this low to be taken out. But once it's taken out, you'd be like, the first sign of a potential bearish reversal. Still, we're gonna remain bullish. We're still above the skinny pink line. Okay, let's take an example over here. We're back in June 2021, right? We were very close to the skinny pink line, and we actually did cross it. But then there was another strong rally that came in to push the price higher. Yes, this was a higher high, but eventually it fell lower. And after that, bear season. So the same thing could happen over here, right? We come back lower, bear season. So yeah, the best thing that could happen is that, we don't touch the skinny pink line. BTC whales do whatever they want to do. And after that, hopefully, a strong rally. But as it stands, things are pretty bearish. I still wouldn't recommend putting any, longs over here. Right, there's still a noisy area over here, so we could still hit a little bit lower, just a little bit lower first before a potential rally. If we rally from here, great, absolutely great. But as it stands, we are not too sure. So yeah, I still expect this low to be swept low. But again, no hard targets, no clear direction for the moment in the short term. So we're just gonna have to wait and let the whales do whatever they want to do for BTC at this point of time. ETH against BTC. So for ETH BTC, we are still holding strong right under the nose of the skinny pink line, right? Maybe we might see some sort of a strong rally, but as it stands, we still don't see it yet. We're still under the skinny pink line though. So technically, we are still in a bearish trend for ETH BTC. We are hoping for a strong rally for ETH BTC. Will it come? We're not too sure. So yeah, as it stands, we're still waiting for more signs from the market first before doing anything for Ethereum BTC. Against USD as well. Oh, we're so close to taking out the lows over here. Oh, I think we took it out. We did. Okay, on perps we didn't though. 2817. 2810. Oh, we took it out. We took it out on spot. Okay, we're probably gonna go lower, sadly. Okay. We were actually hoping for an inverse head and shoulders though. I mean, we were hoping for a symmetrical, if not potentially an inverse head and shoulders. But we're too close to the skinny pink line. This is bad. This is very bad. This means that we could be getting an ABCD, something like this, right? This will be brutal though. Still, I don't see the bearish reversal yet. So yeah, I can't call bearish reversal. I don't see the chart pattern. But it is not good. It's not good. We were expecting a symmetrical. I saw some of the other bigger accounts on X calling for a potential symmetrical as well. So I'm like, I don't really like that. But yeah, it is what it is. So we're going to have to wait and see how things play out for Ethereum. BNB, okay, BNB BTC is a bit of an outlier. It is still above the skinny pink line. Right, but we're getting a potential head and shoulders though. You see this? This whole thing can consider this as a left shoulder. Whole thing is a head, maybe a right shoulder. Bearish reversal. Potentially. We're still above the skinny pink line. So the trend is still bullish for BNB BTC. We could still worm our way towards the upside for BNB BTC. But as it stands, yeah, this is not a bullish continuation. It's not. A bullish continuation is something like a, yeah. You start seeing valleys, you see. Not mountains. So it is what it is for BNB BTC. Against USD, BNB is still above the skinny pink line. Right. We're still anticipating the possibility of a consolidation as we break higher. But as it stands, yeah, it's very bearish. There could still be another move lower. I'm afraid we might touch the skinny pink line. Whether we touch it or not, I still think that there will be a strong rally. Either from here, we drop a little bit, and then a rally. Potentially, right? If we touch the skinny pink line, yeah, that's just not ideal. So we'll see how it goes. Maybe this is already it though. Maybe. But yeah, we're gonna have to wait it up to see how things go. Sol against BTC. Here we are for Sol. Anything for Sol, same thing. Like BNB BTC above the skinny pink line. Still potentially another rally. Potentially, but yeah, we're not too sure, right? Even Sol could still zip a bit lower. Completing a C, you see. A, B, coming down for a C. This will be brutal though. But this will set us up for 2025, you see. As we go back up for a wave D. And then Sol just goes to the moon, right? Potentially. So, yeah. This is beginning to look more and more mountainish. Although we're here right now. This whole thing could be a symmetrical. And we could still hit higher. I'm not too sure. Against USD, yeah, I look bearish. Why? This looks like a descending triangle. A descending triangle is a bearish reversal. Not bearish reversal. It's a bearish chart pattern. It can be a reversal too though, but this is not good. You see this? Oh my god. I know we're above the skinny pink line, but the danger is there that Sol could collapse lower. Right, completing a wave C. Holding is an A, up for a B, down for a C. We're expecting more upside though. Will we get it? We're gonna have to wait and see. Right. This is bearish. It's beginning to turn bearish. So it's not good. We'll see. This was actually bearish as well. Right. But there's a difference between this descending and this descending. There's actually a difference. So yeah, no. Be careful, man. Stay safe. XRP against BTC. Here we are for XRP. XRP is very, very bearish. The weekly standard reminder. This is N. No, it's a head and shoulders, right? Head and shoulders is a bearish chart pattern, super bearish. Clearly under the skinny pink line. We've been in a downwards trend for a very, very long time for XRP against BTC, which means that if you had switched over your entire XRP stash into BTC, you would have done so much better compared to being in XRP all this while. So once this breaks, XRP is going to be, yeah, the target is very, very low. Is this wick over here at the bottom? So be careful about yeah, going long for XRP. There could be a rally first though. So yeah, stay safe, man. Ton against, okay, BTC is not much, but if you look at Ton against BTC, let's say on CoinX, right? We're continuing slowly worming our way up, right? But it's, yeah, preach caution. Nothing much for us to do here. Still above the skinny pink line, still in a bullish trend. How much higher? We're not too sure. ADH is here at 16871. We're at 12. So 16 and 12 is not too far away. So I suspect maybe the top may not be too far away as well. Will we break the top here? Will we go into price discovery? Not too sure. We're not too sure for Ton BTC. Ton against USD. Let's look at it on Gate. Yeah, so Ton USD. Ta-da! We still have a target here. $13.50. We're still expecting 100% rise from here, potentially. Does this look like a bearish reversal Nope, not yet. Although this is like a marginally higher though. So this is something like a double bearish divergence. Not too sure. Not too obvious. We're still clearly above the skinny pink line. We're not exactly collapsing. And I don't see clear mountains over here. So to me, Toncoin is the only one that is still clearly bullish in the top 10. Not many coins still, showing displays of strength. Only Toncoin is, the rest is not. You can just look at the comparison between BTC by checking out Ton BTC or whatever that coin is versus BTC. Right, Ton BTC is rising, so it shows strength on Ton's part. Dogecoin, Doge against BTC. Here we are for Dogecoin. We are okay. We saw this head and shoulders, and now we're down. But this is a head and shoulders at the very, very bottom. So be like, really? Could we still really drop lower from here? Or could we start reversing from here? Maybe this whole thing becomes a squeeze by itself. A, B, C, D, E. Pop. Yes? No? Not too sure. Not too sure. So we're going to have to take things one step at a time for Dogecoin BTC. Against USD, we are still... Yeah, okay. We're under the skinny pink line. And this is not good. So we're going to have to consider this as invalidated for going under the skinny pink line. Right. Could we still, see some signs of life as we continue a potential rally towards the upside? Sure. But we will probably get a chart pattern over here. And if we do, then we'll re-evaluate a new target. But as of now, I will consider this as invalidated due to being under the skinny pink line. A clean break under the skinny pink line, right? There was a rally attempting to break back up. But nope, it got pulled back down again. So we're anticipating a takeout of these lows eventually. Right, so the moment you take out these lows, this will be a technical invalidation. But I will consider this as largely invalidated for now. So yeah, stay safe, man. It's just, scary. It's scary, right? We're under the support. If you extend this, yeah, we're under it, so that's not good. Yeah, nope. Our downside targets are all getting hit. So that's why, things could be turning really, really bearish soon. And for Dogecoin, right, there is also a potential big, gigantic, I think we mentioned this before, gigantic descending triangle. Oh, this could be a big collapse. Oh my god. I don't know if that's gonna happen. But as it stands, yeah, we could still, right, do something like this. Right. A, B, C, D, E. Bam! We break out. We could still do something like this. So as it stands, yeah, we're staying safe. We suspect that there is potentially a little bit more downside for Dogecoin. So yeah, but we're already quite oversold though at this point of time. So there could be some sort of a rally. So watch out for that. Be careful about rushing into anything at this point of time. There's still some uncertainties, and moreover, it's summer, so the market participants are less, right? Most of the people are on summer holidays. So yeah, there you go. All right, guys. Hope you guys have a great week ahead of you. See you in the next one.